Manipur had faced a looming healthcare crisis after the Association of Healthcare Providers India Manipur State Chapter AHPI MSC warned that 43 private hospitals across the state would start charging CMHT and PMJAY patients directly from November 6 if the government failed to release long-pending reimbursements. The association stated that patients would be reimbursed only after the authorities cleared the dues. At a press conference held at IMA Hall in Imphal, AHPI leaders Dr. Palin, Dr. James Ilampam and Dr. Shyam Kumar, Medical Superintendent of Babina Hospital, had said that non-payment of funds had left hospitals under severe financial strain. Dr. Palin had clarified that services would continue but patients would be charged until the bills were settled, stressing that hospitals could not sustain operations without timely payments. The association had cautioned that the delay would impact poor patients the most, particularly those undergoing free hemodialysis sessions, nearly 8,000 per month, provided under CMHT and PMJAY at private hospitals, far exceeding the capacity of government facilities. Despite meeting with the Chief Secretary, the Governor of Manipur and the Commissioner held, AHPI had said that only a fraction of PMJAY funds had been released, leaving major dues pending. AHPI had urged the government to release pending reimbursements immediately and sought the Governor's intervention, warning that failure to act could cripple Manipur's fragile healthcare system and deprive thousands of low-income patients of free treatment.
We anticipate that those who are undergoing the dialysis and those who are suffering from cancer and potential patients for emergency traumas, they will suffer the most. Those who can wait, they can wait. Now, AHPI, Association of Healthcare Providers of India Manipur State Chapter, it is a conglomeration of 43 organizations, and most of them are in panel under this CMHT and PMJ in Manipur. And there is a due of about 90 crore for the last 3 years, and due to this non-payment of the dues, most of the hospitals are suffering from operational issues, non-payment of the vendors, and also non-payment of the salaries. So we are in a state when we cannot further run the hospital. So our appeal is to the government of Manipur and central government to pay out the dues so that we can continue to serve the people around. And our another request is we will continue to serve the people, but from 6th of November 2025 we have decided, AHPI has decided to charge from the patient. This is regretful, but we have decided because ultimately the hospital should survive to serve the people of the Manipur, serve the patients of the Manipur. So we appeal the government to clear the dues so that we can continue to serve the patients free of cost under this government scheme.
What are those two government schemes you are talking about?
One is CMHT, Chief Minister's Aksil Tengba, and PMJ. These are the two, PMJ or Ayushman Bharat. These are, one is central government and another is state government. Central government, 10% is borne by the state government and 90% by the central government. And there is a due of 90.